Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Champagne of Van Buren Township. I have Christian Thomas here with me.
Good morning, Officer Champagne. How are you?
I am good, Your Honor.
This is 210123FT, State of Michigan versus Christian Thomas. Would you state your name for the record for me, please, sir?
Christian Latrell Thomas.
Mr. Thomas, you were offered the opportunity to speak to the court-appointed attorney, and you signed an indication that you did not wish to be represented. Is that accurate?
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, the court has received a complaint indicating that on September 10th, 2020, in Van Buren Township, you committed the following offenses. Count 1, police officer fleeing, 4th degree vehicle code, being the driver of a motor vehicle to whom was given a visual or audible signal by hand, voice, emergency light, or siren by police officer Trant, the police officer who was in uniform, and the officer's vehicle was identified as an official police vehicle acting in the lawful performance of his duty, directing the defendant to stop his motor vehicle to a stop, to bring his motor vehicle to a stop, did willfully fail to obey such direction by increasing the speed of the motor vehicle or attempting to flee or elude the officer, contrary to MCL 527.602A(2). Sir, this is a felony punishable by up to 2 years in prison and or $500. Secretary of State shall suspend license for 1 year pursuant to MCL 257.319. Count 2, driving reckless. Did drive a vehicle upon a highway, I-94 service drive and or Haggerty Road and or I-94 in willful or wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property. Contrary to MCL 257.626, sir, this is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and or $500 fine. Count 3, failure to stop after collision. Did drive a vehicle, to wit, Chevrolet Silverado 1500 upon public or private property, to wit, Belleville Road and North I-94 service drive, which collided with another vehicle, to wit, a 2003 Buick LeSabre, which was attended or unattended, and did fail to immediately stop said vehicle, and then and there either locate and notify the operator or owner of such vehicle of his or her name and address, or report the collision forthwith to the nearest or most convenient police officer when such owner cannot be located, contrary to MCL 257.620. Sir, this is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail and or fines of $100. Sir, you have a right to have a preliminary exam in this matter. You have a right to have an attorney. There was a petition for a court-appointed attorney attached to the front of your file. I have signed that, and a counsel will be assigned to you. You have a right to have this attorney appointed at public expense if you're unable to secure an attorney on your own. You have a right to be considered for pretrial release. There is a recommendation from Van Buren Township indicating that the police department does not oppose personal bond in this file. For that reason, the court will enter bond in this matter of $5,000 personal bond, which means you don't have to post anything right now, but you do need to appear at all future court dates. Your next court date will be your probable cause conference. That is scheduled for June the 2nd, 2021 at 9:15 a.m. with Judge Oakley. And Officer Champagne will give that information to you. That's June 2nd, 2021 at 9:15 a.m. with Judge Oakley, file being 210123FT.
I got it, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions for me, Mr. Thomas?
You said my bail was $5,000?
$5,000 personal, sir. Means you don't need to
Okay.
post anything, but you need to appear. And if you fail to appear, your bond could change.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
We're all
Anything else,
set, Your
Officer
Honor.
Champagne? Thank
We're
you
all
so
set,
much.
Your
Have a
Honor.
good afternoon. Thanks.
You too.